Lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this simple tutorial we shall be looking at how to post photos and videos on Thread. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily post photos and videos on your Thread account. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method I'm teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store. Then you search for your Instagram application. Now once you search for your Instagram application, you need to make sure you update your Instagram to the latest version. So you have to make sure you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to open your Thread. And once you open your Thread application, you can see the button down here with a pencil or a pen button. Just click on that. And once you click on that, you can see this button over here, the gallery button. Just click on that and then select the photo you want to use. So just select the photo you want to use or the video you want to use. Once you have selected it, you can choose to select multiple ones and then you click on add. Now once you click on add, you can choose to write any caption, or you can add links to this post. The most interesting thing about Thread is it allows you to post links, unlike Instagram. So you can add some link or whatever. Then once you are done, then you click on post. The same thing applies to videos. So with this, you can post photos and videos on your Thread application. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video